Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you how to extract WinRAR file in Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular folder right here, this particular WinRAR file as an example right here. How can we extract and see what we have in this particular file right here? So for that, go ahead and make sure you create a new folder. So go ahead and right click on the Windows PC environment. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on new. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on folder right here. So once you click on folder, it's going to open up. So then name the folder. So we can call this extracted file. Then go ahead and hit enter. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go back to the file that we want to extract, WinRAR. So go ahead and select on the file. Having select on the file, right click on it. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for extract all right here. Go ahead and click on extract all. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on browse right here. And you have to make sure you go to desktop. Then look for the folder you just created. So we name it as extracted file. So right here, this is the folder. Select on the folder. Go ahead and click on select folder. There you have it right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Go ahead and click on extract. And in a few seconds, everything you have on your WinRAR file is going to be extracted right here. Just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.